Too much war, 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 war. Too much war, too much war. And it not go far. The youth them fi cool and shine like a star. And them a God fi a par. Look how much get a youth a go down in a whole police pan patrol. In a the community, the youth them not live in a unity. Me tell them say crime and violence. That not make no sense. Badness, that a madness. Them kill the baby pampers. Come a dance in a vest. Go like them are the smartest. Jamaica honestly said the board them heartless. Who do the killing them, willing them now do not thinking.
Alright, too much war. Welcome to part 2 of Jamaica Have Talent right here on Jamaicans.com Facebook page, and we're here with Oneasel. Oneasel. Is it that your middle name is O'Neal? So your name Oneasel, where you get that name from?
No, my middle name is actually Conroy. But as I told you last week, Diesel was a brand.
Yes.
And I used to wear that clothes a lot, so they just removed the D and just put the O on it, and then the O on the end, and start calling Oneasel from there. So.
Alright, so Oneasel, you seem like you've been in the music industry not too long, like your career just starting up. Is that true?
Yeah.
Alright, why decide to
Further,
do music? Yeah.
well, doing the text line now is text, and people say you're full of a lot of lyrics, so
What?
I think I need to put it to music.
As in, you
and,
used to give the girl them a lot of lyrics, or you still do?
Still do, because they don't know. For have the lyrics like padlock, you just have to release, you understand? So just them thing there. So motivation helps, and a lot of people said, alright, you're going easy. Things can go on for you, so just you need to try to do something and put it out there. So I use my voice note and send something, and people are relating it, so just have to appreciate it.
So do you have any songs that are recorded right now?
Well, too much war, you know, never really record in a studio, but I get some help on the WhatsApp, and they do what them to do it. But I have a CD still, but not with those songs.
Yeah.
Basically, but I have songs that going on, because people even linking me for dubplate and stuff.
What? Nice. How long have you been in the music industry?
Well, I'm from 2004, you know, but I never get exposure the way I forget it, because my local family him just start a studio named Affiliate Records. And thing,
Where is
and
that located?
in York Avenue, otherwise known as Cockburn Pen, you know.
Cockburn, or is that the same place as Cockburn Gardens?
Yeah, but
okay.
you know them spell them. You know Jamaicans trap bad, so them say Cockburn Pen.
Okay.
Cockburn Garden, you know.
Yeah, you know Cockburn Pen people.
Yes,
That's in
the same
Kingston.
thing
Kingston 11, right?
Yeah,
Kingston 11.
Alright.
All right. Let's talk a little bit more about your music. What are the songs? What are the type of topics you explore in your music?
Well, positivity, you know, because you don't know, you have to sing from walk on, and if you wake up this morning and a breakfast, you can't supposed to drop a song about that. So you have to sing song where people can gravitate to, because here go on, I know people wake up and can't find soap wash them face, that if you brush them teeth with toothpaste. So life rough, so you have to just sing about rough life.
But what about that motivation or to inspire people to keep moving on? Do you sing about that as well?
Yeah, because I don't sing songs that you just get up and make a song. You have to do something where people can relate to it and say, honestly, just like a Bob Marley. Bob Marley sing songs, and where Bob Marley sing is live on.
Yes.
You understand? So you have to do something like that.
Yes. I want to big up Raskeno, who says, blessed love Ash, Jamaica have talent. Raskeno said that, greatness. Indeed. All right. Where can people find you on social media, Oneasel?
Well, I'm on Instagram, Fabian Pantone. When you type in Fabian Pantone, you will see me pop up on Facebook, Fabian Pantone as well.
All right. So your artist name is Oneasel, but your birth name is Fabian
Conroy Pantone.
Conroy Panther. You might like doing a middle name, man. All right. Tell me about the next song that you're going to perform for us.
Well, that song is a Rastaman rhythm. It depends, like a one drop, but I never really follow it up, forget it done, but I can just drop the line them on my member.
What?
So far,
You remember the lines of your own song?
I have the line, but it's not a song I'm really follow up.
All
but
right.
I can just drop the line, because
All
it
right,
was
give
a
us
one
a
drop
little
rhythm.
piece. Give us a little piece.
Alright, you are just the system, the system, you are just the system, you are just the system, The system, watch now. In a Jamaica, it a get harder. And to go my seat, it a go rougher. You get a youth, them no fear suffer. But if them did a work, things would a better. Big up the youth, them pan the corner. Them a face it, cause them know about dumpling and butter, you know?
Alright. Go ahead and check out Fabian Panther on Facebook, on Instagram, and his artist name is Onizel. There we have it, part 2 of Jamaica Have Talent. And just to let you know that this is just an extension to the Our Stories feature that is published every week on Jamaicans.com. Every weekend, I try. I am the publisher, Ashley Ann Mott, author I should say, because Jamaicans.com is the platform. And go ahead and continue to support and share the content that is posted on Jamaicans.com Facebook page. I just want to show you a little bit of the location that I am at. I'm actually at Devon House right now. Hold on. How do I show them? Oh, there we go. Okay, so I can show you where I know. I'm actually at Devon House, and it's really beautiful here. Very beautiful. Devon House in Kingston, Jamaica. So if you're not from Jamaica and you want somewhere and you plan to travel here, I think you should come and check out Devon House. They